Menteri Rangba ke Jylla Ukonat Sangma, Haringkat Bad Usimbut Menteri Rangba ke Jylla Uba Preston Tengsong, Menta ke Khat Khandai Turik Ulber Arajar Arpunrio, Kilalet Banya Kendu Yulat ke Jylla, UCH Vijay Shankar Banbatai Hau, Halor ke Jinglong Jingman Harilom Garo. Menteri Rangba Ukonat Sangma Ulayat Hu, Ba ke Jinglong Jingman Menta Garo Hills, Kalawan Pai Biang Sha ke Jingshong Suk Shongshangai, Kumhakipor ba Minshwa, Watla Kataru, ke Sorkar kadang Peit ngor Bhayo mi biang ke Jingya Kenan. Menteri Rangba Ulaong, Bala Batai ye Ulad Halor ki Jingja, ki Belaja Harilom Garu, Ha Kabaladan ke Jingye ki Persha ya ke Jingye Shimbenta, Jongki Bomdei ki Riulum ha ke election GHEDC.
I was for most of the last 2 weeks. I was in Garo Hills, and as we are all aware that there were different situations and different law and order situations that happened and which required my full attention. So I was there in Garo Hills, and all this while I was only able to communicate with Honorable Governor on the phone, and therefore I felt it appropriate that I must come and brief him along with Deputy CM in charge home about the current prevailing situation, especially in Garo Hills. Also the different incidents that led to the different law and order situations that we faced. So a complete briefing on the entire matter was given to the Honorable Governor, and that was my basic purpose of visit.
Sir, what did the governor say, and whether right now so far?
Number one, Governor has, after I briefed him, so he was of course much more aware about what happened, and so the briefing was basically, just as I said, a briefing on the law and the situation. Regarding the arrest, so we'll be very clear on this. It is purely police department's responsibility, and based on whatever evidence and whatever rules that are there, the police will take action. I'm not aware of how many arrests have been made. I'm not aware of who all have been arrested. It's a pure police matter, and the police is taking steps as per law and as per evidence. So I think the SP there will be in a better position to reply to that, the different SPs. But those details are not there.
Has the situation, sir?
In terms of the violence and the different incidents have come down. There are some sporadic incidents that are there once in a while. Violence has come down, but we are keeping a close watch to ensure that there is normalcy should return. To a large extent, it has returned. To a large extent, people are now getting on with their day-to-day lives. To a large extent, as I said, even after assessing the situation, the internet ban also has been lifted. So these are signs of some sort of normalcy returning. But we are carefully monitoring the situation. Okay.